Imagine waking up tomorrow. You unlock your phone, open your crypto wallet, and everything looks perfectly normal. Your Bitcoin is still there. Your Ethereum is still there. Your USDT still sitting exactly where you left it. Nothing looks wrong. But then, you receive a notification. Your crypto has been transferred. Every coin, gone. Every token, gone. Your entire portfolio, emptied in seconds. No one hacked your phone. No one guessed your password. No virus. No warning. Just one conversation and 12 simple words. Today, I'm going to show you why those 12 words are more valuable than your entire crypto portfolio, and why sharing them, even once, could become the biggest financial mistake of your life. If you're new to crypto, or you've been investing for years, this might be the most important video you'll ever watch. Because every single day, people lose thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars without getting hacked, without downloading malware, without clicking a fake link. They simply give away something they never realized was more valuable than the crypto itself, their recovery phrase. Let me show you exactly how it happens. Imagine you buy your very first Bitcoin, maybe some Ethereum, a little USDT. You finally feel like you're part of the crypto world. A few weeks later, your phone suddenly stops working, or maybe it gets stolen. You buy a new phone, download your wallet again. Everything seems fine. Then you tap Recover Existing Wallet. The app asks for one thing, your recovery phrase. You stop for a second. You know you wrote it down somewhere, right? You check your desk. Nothing. Your notebook. Nothing. Your old screenshots. Nothing. Your cloud storage. Nothing. Suddenly, your heart starts racing because for the first time, you realize those 12 words weren't just another setup step. They were everything. But here's something even more dangerous. Losing your recovery phrase isn't the biggest mistake people make. Millions of people actually give it away themselves. So, how does that happen? It usually starts with a problem. Maybe your crypto isn't showing up. Maybe you can't send your USDT. Maybe you accidentally transferred funds to the wrong network. You ask for help online. A few minutes later, someone sends you a message. Hi, I'm from Trust Wallet Support. Their profile looks professional. They have a company logo, perfect grammar, a support ticket number. Everything looks real. They sound calm, helpful, professional, and that's exactly what makes them dangerous. Here's the truth. Most crypto scams don't begin with hacking. They begin with psychology. Scammers know that when people panic, they stop thinking clearly. If you believe your money is at risk, you'll do almost anything to protect it. That's exactly what scammers count on. They create urgency. They create fear. Then they offer a solution. Don't worry, we can recover your wallet. We just need to verify ownership. Please enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Sounds reasonable, right? Unfortunately, the moment you type those 12 words, the scam is already over. Imagine the scammer sitting somewhere else in the world. They don't need your phone. They don't need your password. They don't even know your name. All they do is open their own wallet, tap Import Existing Wallet, enter your recovery phrase, and suddenly your wallet appears on their screen. Your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your USDT, everything. They now have exactly the same access that you do, except they move faster than you ever could. At first, nothing happens. Your wallet still opens. Your balance still looks normal. You think everything is fine. Then, one notification appears. Transaction confirmed. Another one. Then another. You refresh your wallet, and it's empty. Every asset gone. Not because Trust Wallet was hacked. Not because Bitcoin failed. Not because the blockchain stopped working, but because someone else now has the keys. By now, you're probably wondering, can't Trust Wallet recover my crypto? The answer is simple. No, not Trust Wallet, not MetaMask, not Coinbase Wallet, not Ledger, not customer support, not even the CEO, because they never had your recovery phrase in the first place. That's exactly how non-custodial wallets are designed. You are the only person who controls your wallet, which also means you're the only person who can recover it. That's the power of self-custody, but it's also the responsibility. Another question beginners ask is, can't the blockchain reverse the transaction? information? Unfortunately, no. Once a blockchain transaction is confirmed, it's permanent. There isn't a customer service number to call. There isn't a reset button. There isn't a chargeback. That's one of the biggest advantages of crypto. But if your recovery phrase falls into the wrong hands, it also becomes one of the biggest risks.
So, how do you protect yourself? Here are 5 simple rules. Rule number 1. Write your recovery phrase on paper, not in your phone, not in your notes app, not in a screenshot. Rule number 2. Store it in a secure place that only you or trusted people you've intentionally chosen can access. Rule number 3. Never upload it to cloud storage. If someone gains access to your cloud account, they could gain access to your crypto too. Rule number 4. Never enter your recovery phrase into a website unless you're intentionally restoring your wallet using the official wallet app or official wallet software. If a website, an email, a text message, or someone claiming to be customer support asks for it, leave immediately. Rule number 5. Never share your recovery phrase with strangers. No legitimate wallet company, no exchange, and no real customer support representative will ever ask you for it. If someone does, it's almost certainly a scam. Remember, your recovery phrase isn't just a list of 12 random words. It's ownership, it's security, it's your financial future. Every Bitcoin you've saved, every Ethereum investment you've made, every dollar of USDT you own. Crypto gives you something incredible, complete control over your own money. But with that freedom comes complete responsibility. Protect your recovery phrase. Keep it offline, keep it secure, because the moment you give those 12 words to the wrong person, you're not just sharing information, you're handing over your entire wallet. If this video helped you avoid a mistake that could cost you thousands of dollars, hit the like button and subscribe to Doodle Dollars. Every week, we break down real crypto scams, explain how crypto wallets actually work, and help you protect your digital assets before it's too late. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.